So welcome to BJ Updates. Until we get a snapshot, some updates that's going on smtvs.com because we are ever here. You know, let's jump back over here. So you guys know we have a business profile now at smtvs.com. So you come over and when you get your business profile, this is where it's look on your profile page. And this is your contact page, right? So you go to business.smtvs.com and you can get the links to come to over to the business site and to edit the form and everything. Let's see here. Your business form can be edited right there. Okay. Your settings can be set right there. A lot of stuff. So let's talk about the community and things now. So as SMTVS still as SMTVS Video, so we are developing a small publisher community at smtvs.com. And in retrospect, when it comes to why I said create a community video site, because I was playing around with PHP part stuff and have it in my database, and then while I'm working one place, working another place, I'm started using the one database for posting and stuff like that, and realized that the post is in the video area, in the video script example that I'm still working on, and it's in this right here, and it's showing up two different places when the post is being made. So let me realize that, okay, if someone in the video area made a post there, the post that they made in the video area will then come over in the community. And in the community, if someone even makes a post, it'll come over into the video area, with one exception, that it wouldn't bring over like the image or whatever that you post along with it wouldn't come over, but the text would come over, right? That's like we're still streaming through that. Well, working with the program example, I thanked the programmer today, in fact, in an email, for after working with the one with the emoji, and said okay, because for a community of any sort, this one is cool if you're doing a video or the music like you see right here, and you can say cool, the music's up, things like that. However, in my tables, what I see is a practice that everybody's writing one way, and I look at I'm writing the next way, so maybe that's why my stuff. But I still think I should try the hard way, because the hard way is better. That anyways, in my video table I have a thumbs up and a thumbs down row that will record the amount of up and down and place it in those rows for that video. So in concern, and also records, yes, the member, and it knows which member did it. Because when that's happening, the member is also recorded as which member did that, right? In the same way, on my old TV stuff here, I could get to here. Yeah, here. Okay. Where when the user make the post here, it's done. So over here at TV and everything, I don't know, I may incorporate a new posting system, but I still wanted over here to just be like a review area, and I didn't want no one to reply on the review. I just wanted to make review to the program. Right? See, everyone have their thing. So everyone like, okay, you make a review, you make a comment on the review, you make this, no. We just like make a review on the program that you see there, and that's all we need. That's cool. And we know you did that. And you have a description to let everyone know what your review is about. You know what I mean? So we were talking about the ups and the down, why minds are like that, and then you will go over to this oh, so much clear. I think it's back here, right? It should be a step up there. Sometimes I have too much page in this thing, so and sometimes I click on pages, but you see how much page I click. Yeah, as this one, right? So, well, I managed to write in the fact that the user, because my username is my email, so it comes up said that I did this, you know, like that, and it said I made the post. So the next thing is for me to just really install the avatar, right? And how that is done really that you will try to transfer a clone of the avatar over into the posting system itself, into the comment farm, the comment row. So it's there, and it calls back to the user folder to look for that image, and then we'll bring that image up, right? Because alongside the post that's being made, your image was in, your avatar was also installed, and your name and everything alongside with that. So that's how that works. So when I said I thanked the programmer earlier today for after I worked on the other version of it, and it's cool. And does this. Now the programmers are still showing some example and how to what one said, edit the information. But I already have like a lot of program I made where I can pretty much take care of removing anything from a database or inserting anything in a database or even inserting image and text. So I know I can write a form to insert the comments, which in turn like a post, and then also insert image or video. So with that said and done, we're over here at one of my templates that's generated by the HTML5 generator. I think we still got it on board someplace over here. Well, here. Right, this generator here. School generator. I don't know what we got in there yet, but let's see what we got. I see the offline thing not happening, huh? So, yeah. It's just like throw my generator off every now and then, all the stuff that my generator makes. Okay, so now we did an example today, and it really works well. So now, okay, on this one, you see you got to put the name on the one that I showed you before. I saw to hit that and install the username, and that was going on. This new example from the PHP part from Vinci, the programmer. I install. So a lot of time you install stuff inside a database, you have to like really know, because I did some changes to her. She had a voucher, and I just changed the text, right? Because I feel like I wanted to hold more info in the thing, so I just did text, right? Okay, cool. So now we can actually make a reply and put an emoji like there, you know, and just let me find some text somewhere. Oh yeah. Well, so this is where you like get to edit your business account and your account information. And the business account link doesn't come up unless you, if you have a business account, smtvs.com, you come here, this will come up. But if you don't have a business account, you're just gonna see these two, right? It's kind of like just that we sort of said, let's get rid of some of these stuff, cause they just unbugging me through and through, and I went there and did that. So you know, it's like when stuff just gets you, you just say it's too much of them there. Okay. So let's clear this. See, earlier you see I did this and it's still there, but also another thing needs to happen to this is like it needs to have a refresh. Like when I upload stuff, I change stuff in the database, I always cause the page to refresh after doing everything. You know? So it's really cool, right? You guys think, ain't it? Really nice. So then why I thank Open Assembly. I love it. So why I thank the developer because yeah, you know you grow in the ways from other developer work, right? See that I'm a good database architecture and PHP developer, right? It's real easy. Okay, so you see, with the post, it is written as an example, but I need to like take one of the statements that I have in one of my programs and put it on the bottom of this when and put it into the file that adds. So when it adds, it'll look at that PHP program and say, okay, yeah, refresh the page back there for me. Okay, that stuff. Right, and also we can call back the page. So it does that. Let's see what we did. So that's what we did right here. Cool. So more and more. Okay, so we'll say this is the posting part now of the community, and we'll add in the fact that you can add image or whatever we decided to add to this posting system. Okay, let's click out on this guy. We also can get this guy up in between here now. Now, since we worked out the posting and the emoji stuff right here, right? Cool. Then, over here, on the sideline, I worked out the communication and link system. So you can follow somebody. Well, this is a lazy, what I call lazy loader. I always call it that. I say, you're a lazy loader. There's a profile page just like this. If I go in there and load the profile page, all this pops up. So, cool. So what happened here, most people I saw other stuff that all your friends will be printed right here. It's just taking some time to really come up. Okay, and so there we go. We got a part of the community that's right here. That's the friend part. That the follow and the friend, follow and friendship, right? That's what it is. Follow and friendship. Okay, so we streaming backwards now. Oh, we are here, so we can go. I think we can go back. Are we in mail? We were in mail? I don't think so. Okay. So those are the updates, right? That we did on the site. So you guys can really like see what's going on, right? And we have been smtbs.com to have a mail, an in-house mailing system, a share system so you can share inside of the system. And we have business, right? We also have video that will become TV, right? Because we're going to combine the TV and the video into one, right? And we have music, and we have podcast marketing, right? And then we have our cloud TV, right? Which is different from video and all of that. This is like real paid TV. Then we're going to be setting up a paid TV system in there. A paid movie system like cable. So if we have to do like everybody else, it's a competition. Okay, so great. So that's what's up there that we did, and then emoji. Alright? And then we have the community now, right? And okay, even more also stuff about the community and things. Okay, watch this. Let's go here. So this would be like you're in the community, right? And you want to update the cover picture. That's how you update the cover picture. No, I didn't put the avatar there because actually it was the cover picture, this here, that was here, because that's the way the site is made, so it prints the thing twice. And I changed it up a little bit, so okay, maybe we should put the avatar. So because you are in the network, everyone in the network has an avatar. So even if that person comes over and utilizing the community, they will only have a link here in the community to change the cover, right? But if that individual wants to change their avatar now, then they need to go over to edit account and click on this one to change this one, right? So it still may be in the same place, but just to show you. So thanks for viewing VGA development at this moment in time, right? We just doing a few little small things and showing you guys, right? That we're still updating. Yes, tell people that we have a social network community for the regular people. The one that's been built in SMTVS is more on something that the people who join business SMTVS.com, publishers, right, and people who are watching SMTVS paid cable system inside SMTVS.com. That's who will definitely use the community to go ahead and say a few words about the media that they are watching or whatever, right? Also, it will be that whatever you post will come on your personal page. And then whatever somebody posts on about their business automatically might end up coming on their business page too. So it's a lot of stuff to still think about over here. But we have a site and it's front end, home.smts.com. And you get over there, and if you want to join, join. Don't be like about 5 people come up there and they're using this Outlook email thing with a bunch of fake names. So I wrote back every mail and I asked them, so give me a big enough reason and a big enough why that you would think you'd come over to just sign up with a bogus name. Aren't you wasting time? Okay, thanks everyone for joining VG. If you feel like you want to come over and join my site, do join. If you're going to come over and join with a bogus name, I don't need you to join. We aren't that desperate for members, okay? Because we're just doing our business. And things have a way of turning up and building itself. And we keep a positive drive when it comes to the things that you do in life. So thanks if you're here viewing VGA Development TV at smtvs.com. My name is Vga Allen. I'm a digital creator at smtvs.com, an IP developer and programmer for more than 30 years. I play around a little bit with every different language based upon the fact that I may need Java to do something in my program, and I may need PHP to do something, XML to do something inside the program. So I try my best to learn all about these programmings. So if I need to use any one of these programs within my program, at that time I use it. All right? Everything is knowledge based. Thank you.